Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you again. You know the secret of making money? Do you know that? Money comes by solving people's problem. If you need money, find a problem and provide solution. If you can't find a problem, create a problem and provide solution. Either ways, money will definitely come. So there is no need you trying to engage yourself in fraudulent activities. The one we call Yahoo in Nigeria. No! You can make money legitimately. There are so many things you can do to make money. So it's not only when you must steal from somebody else before you can make money. No, just find a problem and create solution. If you just find a problem, you create solution. Because I remember as a student, I knew students was having particular problem in one particular course. What did I do? I provided them with solution. I wrote a book in that course. See, as a student, I was smiling, I was making money. A lot of money. Money were coming into my account. For instance, one of the books, somebody called me today and paid for the book. She needed the book for her cousins. So that is the power of creativity, the power of solving a problem. So don't complain, I don't have money, I don't do this, I can't do that, I don't know what to do, or I don't have a helper. You are never born empty. Look around you. Look around you. You will see what you can do to make money. Look around you, see people's needs. When you provide solution to people's need, they are willing to pay you money. But when you don't provide anything, nobody is willing to give you anything because they need to pay for what you provided for them. So I'm advising you today that if you need money, please always try to find a problem and provide solution to it, and money will come through that. Or either means you can't find a solution, then create your own problem and provide a solution to it. People will patronize you. So that by patronizing you make your own money. So there is no need shouting or blaming your parents that you came from a poor background, you came from this or that, or your brothers don't want to help you. Whereas you can make your own money, you can help your own self. So do that and help yourself, and definitely I bet you are going to smart if you apply my strategy. So if you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to my channel, turn up the notification bell, so whenever I upload new video, you'll be among those that will receive the update. Thank you. Bye. I love you.